Hello everyone, welcome to one more episode of Corporate C. So here I'm going to use a macro, that is a hash define function, which is a preprocessor directive. So after the hash include, I have included hash defined x. X is my variable which I'm going to replace with 5 plus 2, and mind you, it is not 7. So I'll tell you why it's the difference. So we are going to see what are the precedence of operators also, because we have a couple of operators here in this line. So let us run the program, and as expected x will be replaced by 5 plus 2, and 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. I will be equal to x cube, but in this case it is not equal to 7 cube, which is equal to 343. So x cube, so if you want, I can show you the calculation of 7 into 7 into 7, which is equal to 343, which is not the output here. Why is 27 getting printed here? So understand that I, which is equal to, or I, which is equal to 5 plus 2, which is multiplied in this way. So what is going to be printed out of all this? My precedence of operator shows that the multiplication has got a higher precedence than addition, and lastly the equivalent symbol. So 2 plus 2 into 5 will be evaluated first. So 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 5 is 10, again 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, again 2 is going to be added, so the value 27, which is going to be printed. So that is the reason why we have 27 here. So remember, 5 plus 2 is not always 7 when you are considering precedence of operators and inside a function like this. So that is it about macros, which is hash defined, and precedence of operators.